Using a dictionary effectively can greatly enhance your English writing skills. English is hard to learn because the rules for writing and pronouncing words aren't always clear. A dictionary teaches you the right way to say words, which indirectly makes your reading out loud and speaking English better. In addition, dictionaries give thorough examples of how to use words. One more big benefit is that you learn about language and word forms. A lot of dictionaries have information on the different types of a word, like noun, verb, and adjective, and what they are used for in grammar. Here are some tips on how to make the most out of this valuable tool. 1. Look up unknown words immediately. When you come across an unfamiliar word while reading or writing, look it up right away. This immediate reinforcement helps solidify your understanding and retention of the new word. 2. Understand the full entry. Don't just read the definition. Pay attention to all parts of the dictionary entry, including pronunciation, part of speech, word forms, and example sentences. This comprehensive approach gives you a fuller understanding of how the word is used. 3. Note down new words. Keep a vocabulary journal where you write down new words, their meanings, and example sentences. Reviewing this journal regularly can reinforce your learning and help you remember new vocabulary. 4. Use example sentences. Study the example sentences provided in the dictionary entry. They show you how the word is used in context, which helps you understand its connotation and proper usage. 5. Learn synonyms and antonyms. Many dictionaries include synonyms and antonyms. Learning these related words can expand your vocabulary and give you more options for expressing yourself. 6. Practice pronunciation. Use the phonetic transcription and audio pronunciation features available in many online dictionaries. Practicing the correct pronunciation ensures that you can both recognize and use the word correctly in spoken English. 7. Understand word forms. Pay attention to the different forms of a word, e.g., noun, verb, adjective. Understanding these variations helps you use the word correctly in different grammatical contexts. 8. Explore etymology. Some dictionaries provide the origin of words, etymology. Knowing the roots of words can help you understand and remember their meanings better, as well as recognize related words. 9. Use dictionaries regularly. Make dictionary use a regular habit. Whether you are reading, writing, or even speaking, regularly consulting a dictionary helps reinforce your learning and improve your language skills over time. 10. Choose the right dictionary. Select a dictionary that suits your needs. For beginners, a learner's dictionary with simpler definitions and more examples might be best. Advanced learners might benefit from comprehensive dictionaries like the Oxford English Dictionary. 11. Utilize digital tools. Make use of online dictionaries and mobile apps. These tools often have additional features such as audio pronunciations, thesaurus, and language tips, which can enhance your learning experience. 12. Engage in active learning. Don't just passively read the dictionary entries. Actively engage with the new words by using them in sentences, flashcards, and quizzes. This active practice helps reinforce your memory and understanding. 13. Consult specialized dictionaries. For specific writing tasks, consider using specialized dictionaries, such as technical dictionaries, thesaurus, or style guides. These resources provide more targeted vocabulary and usage advice. 14. Cross-reference with a thesaurus. After looking up a word, cross-reference it with a thesaurus to find synonyms and antonyms. This practice not only broadens your vocabulary but also gives you a better understanding of the word's nuances. 15. Take advantage of language learning features. Many online dictionaries offer language learning features such as word of the day, quizzes, and language tips. To sum up, using a dictionary is one of the most important things you can do to improve your English writing. By using a dictionary every day as part of your study routine, you can make your writing much more accurate, clear, and rich, which will make you a better and more confident English writer.